Okay, go ahead and go face down. Exhale for me. Okay, lay on your side, face me over here. This way. You can go around that side. Not getting my lip. Alright. Relax your back for me. Good. And other side. This area. One more time. Good. And lay on your back. Excellent. Okay, you're all set.
Thank you.